The list builder feature in Pyramid is a terrific way for users to be able to select from very large dimensions a very large set of things that they would like to analyze. A typical problem is that if you were looking at a dimension that looked something like the address hierarchy here inside the sample demo, you'd have a real problem picking 100 elements out of this 10,000 element list. So for example, if I was going to show addresses, and I said, geez, from that list of almost 10,000 elements, I would like to look at a list of 500 addresses that have been picked by some other method other than a simple calculation. It would take me an enormously long time to go through this list and handpick them one by one. Sure, I have search where I can go through and say, let's find anything that begins with 420. But if you had 500 of those, or even 1,000 of them, this would take you a very long time to do that. So the list builder function is designed to address that. For that, we turn all the addresses off, so there's nothing to see. Click the list builder button, and here we can either cut and paste the list from the clipboard, or we can import a comma delimited text file that represents the things we want to look at. And here I'm going to look at my address list. Click next. Here is the list of addresses I want to look at. I simply click finish and run. And you'll see here from this listing that only the ones that were in my list have been checked off. And believe it or not, in that simple maneuver, I have picked 500 elements out of the 9,000, and I can now see them comfortably here on my screen. The list builder can be used in all places where the element tree appears. So for example, I can use it to build a formulaic list from, say, something like this. And then use this as part of my engine for calculating any kind of list from here on in. So something like that could work. Equally, I could build myself a new formula that is perhaps an aggregation of members, something like that. And again, I could come into the list builder and import my list here again. And in the last place that is relevant, in the administration tools where we can set member level security, I can come in, open up my data model, focus on the member security, focus on the hierarchy I wish to secure, and again, use my list here to secure the specialist of 500 elements for this particular role. In all situations, the list builder is a huge accelerator and a real-world feature that makes the use of large data sets really easy and really simple from Pyramid.